Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we're making my version of Indonesian chicken satay, which is cold smoked chicken that is a little bit spicy and a bit sweet. It's more sweet than spicy, but you can make it however you want it to be, and it's served with steamed rice and really delicious peanut sauce. Growing up, Indonesian food had been such a big part of my life, being of a partial Indonesian heritage as my grandfather is of an Indonesian descent, and I just love Indonesian food so much, and I wanted to share that part of my life with my kids as well as you guys. So let's get started with the recipe, but before that, please do consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So an important part of making satay is a sweet soya sauce. It's easily available everywhere, even in Pakistan. And second is lemongrass, ideally fresh, but if you can't find fresh, dried up works just as well. And I'm going to add all the ingredients in a recipe card on the screen, which a lot of you asked for, and I'm also gonna put everything in the description box so it's easy for all of you. Also, please, I forgot to add my lemongrass into a muslin cloth. It is a pain to take it out towards the end, so please don't do the mistake that I did. Don't follow the mistake that I've made here. Just add your lemongrass in a muslin cloth and then put it in the marinade, because then it's so much easier to just take it out. So here I have some boneless chicken thighs. You can use breasts too, but chicken thighs works the best. It's the juiciest cut, and this is what they traditionally use. And now you let it marinate for 2 to 3 hours or overnight for best results. The only thing that needs to be added to this marinade is some peanut sauce. If you're not making the peanut sauce, you can actually add a spoonful of peanut butter. You can skip it too if you're allergic to peanuts. Coming towards the peanut sauce, I know you might be thinking, what about the ingredients? Well, it's super simple. All you have to do is dump everything. I'm adding a recipe card here. Dump everything in a saucepan and then just put it on medium low and cook it till it's at your preferred consistency. It's gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes or even more if you want it more thick. And the red chili flakes that I have added to it, you can adjust the quantity according to your preferred level of spiciness, but I tend to keep it a little bit low because that's how I like it, and this is how thick I want my sauce to be. Just keep in mind that it thickens up as it cools, so always keep it 1 or 2 steps lower than what you want it to be eventually. And now I'm adding it to my chicken. I didn't add it directly. I know it looks very steamy, but it had been left on the stove for about 20-30 minutes, and then I added to my chicken. And now I'm gonna cover my chicken and put it in the fridge overnight or for 2 to 3 hours, as I mentioned previously. Also, I'm gonna thread my chicken on the bamboo skewers, and whenever you want to use bamboo skewers, even on the stovetop or in the oven, it's a good idea to let them soak for a few hours or overnight, because then they don't burn that easily. And then all you have to do is thread your chicken just like so, just like any other barbecue, and you can make it on the grill, which is the original authentic way, or you can cook it on the stove top, or you can bake it. Also, I drained up the excess liquid from the chicken, and I'm gonna use it to baste my chicken while I am cooking them on the grill. If you're cooking them on a stovetop, just do it like any other chicken, or if you're cooking them in a regular oven, just add a tray of water so your chicken does not dry up, just the way I've showed you guys in my Malai Boti video. I'm gonna link it here for you guys. And now all you have to do is baste your chicken while you're cooking it. You can also do it while you're making it using the alternative that I mentioned, because basting, A, it adds a lot more flavor, and B, it makes your chicken even more juicy. So once your satay are done, put them on a serving tray or whatever you want to use to serve them up. Add a little bit more of that sweet soya sauce, some peanut sauce, and serve them with rice. Traditionally, they're served with these boiled coconut rice. They're soft and they're wrapped in a bamboo or a banana leaf. I've forgotten the name of, but that's what they're traditionally served with. But I just serve them up with plain boiled white rice with some green onions mixed in. So that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe and a little bit of my heritage. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and comment below if you want me me to share more Indonesian or Indonesian inspired recipes. Until next time, the Homemaker Baker over and out.